Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're diving into the best Helorpc X92 gaming mini PC, a sleek and powerful machine designed for gamers and tech enthusiasts. Let's get started. Product features. Custom RGB lighting effects. The Helorpc X92 comes with custom RGB lighting effects that can be toggled with a one-click switch. Whether you prefer subtle illumination or a vibrant gaming ambience, this feature allows you to personalize your setup effortlessly. PCIe 4.0 M.2 2280 high-speed storage. Equipped with PCIe 4.0 M.2 2280 support, the X92 ensures blazing fast data transfer rates, making game loading times and file transfers seamless. Silent cooling system. The device includes a 9 cm diameter silent cooling fan for efficient heat dissipation, keeping the system cool under intense gaming or multitasking without causing noise distractions. DDR5 5600MT/S dual-channel memory. With DDR5 5600MT/S dual-channel memory, this mini PC offers lightning-fast performance, enabling smooth multitasking and quick response times for high-demand applications. Striking aesthetic. Sporting a black punk style and white mecha design, the X92 exudes a futuristic, Cyber Series-inspired aesthetic, making it a centerpiece for any gaming setup. Advanced connectivity. The Helorpc X92 features 40G USB 4 PD full-speed USB 4.0 and Type-C ports, allowing for high-speed data transfer and the ability to connect an external graphics card for an added performance boost. Powerful AMD Ryzen 7 processor. At the heart of the X92 is the AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS mobile processor, boasting an 8-core, 16-thread architecture with a 4nm Zen 4 process. This processor is built with the latest RDNA 3-core graphics architecture, offering gaming DNA for ray tracing, high-load gaming, and smooth performance in demanding scenarios. Pros. Compact and stylish design. Its cyberpunk-inspired design blends aesthetics and functionality, making it ideal for gamers with limited desk space. High performance. The Ryzen 7 7840HS processor and DDR5 memory deliver exceptional performance for gaming and multitasking. Silent cooling. The 9 cm fan ensures quiet operation even during heavy usage, enhancing the user experience. Expandable connectivity. USB 4 and Type-C ports provide fast transfer speeds and external GPU support, catering to versatile user needs. Customizable lighting. The RGB lighting adds a personal touch to your gaming station. Cons. Limited upgradability. While the external GPU support is a plus, internal upgrade options for certain components may be restricted compared to traditional desktops. Gaming heat management. Although the cooling system is efficient, prolonged high-load gaming might cause heat buildup in compact spaces. Initial setup complexity. Configuring external graphics cards and other advanced features may require technical knowledge. Final thoughts. The Helorpc X92 Gaming Mini PC is a top contender in the mini PC category, combining cutting-edge hardware, stylish design, and advanced features. Its AMD Ryzen 7 processor and DDR5 memory ensure exceptional performance for gaming and productivity, while the RGB lighting and sleek design make it visually appealing. However, its limited internal upgradability and higher price may not suit everyone. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful gaming solution with modern aesthetics and robust performance, the Helorpc X92 is a fantastic choice. Check the price using the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more tech reviews.